Mitch wants to use 40 feet of fencing to enclose a flower garden. Which of these shapes would use all the fencing and enclose the largest area? So we need to have a perimeter of 40 feet because fencing goes around the shape. And we want the largest area. So those are our two criteria. We don't want to have any leftover. So the first one, so we're going to have to check perimeter and area of every single one. So the first one was a rectangle with a length of 8 feet and a width of 12 feet. So the perimeter is 2 times 8 feet plus 2 times 12 feet. 16 plus 24 is 40. So it meets the first criteria. Now what's its area? Is 8 by 12, which is 96. Okay, so we're going to have to keep this in mind right here. Okay. Part B. It says an isosceles right triangle which is 45, 45, 90 with a side length of about 12 feet. 12 by 12. And since an isosceles right triangle, this is x, x, x root 2, so that means it's 12 root 2. So we know the perimeter is 24 plus 12 root 2, and we'll see if that uses 40 feet or really close to 40 feet. So 24 plus 12 second square root 2, it uses 40.97 feet. Let's say that that's okay. Okay? If there's a tie, we might not use it because we're a little bit short fencing, but they also said that the 12s were about 12, so he's estimating there, so it might be a little bit less. So it seems okay, but we still need to get the area. The area of a triangle is half the base times the height. The base is 12, and the height is 12, so that's going to be 72 square feet. And since that's not as much, I'm crossing this one off. So we're not going to use B. We'll try C now. A circle with a radius of about 5.6 feet. Well, we got to check the circumference. 2 pi r, which is 5.6. So if you put that in the calculator, it's got to be close to 40, we hope. So 2 second pi times 5.6, which is 35.19 feet. That's not really close. So that's not close. There's no point checking the area. Although the area, if you did check it, would be about 98.5 square feet. Okay, and then the last one is D, a square with a side length of 10. Well, we know the perimeter of a square is 4 times the side length, which is 40 feet, so that checks. And we know the area of the square is the side squared, which is 100 feet squared, and it turns out that just beats out A. So I'm going to choose D. Just beats it out, meets both the first condition.